Diyan may ganyan sa wala. Wow. Tita Q.
Paano mag-cry si Tita Q?
Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Your eyes, where's your eyes? Exercise your nose.
Exercise your nose.
And where's your ears? And up ears. Where's your hair? And where's your neck?
Elbow.
Elbow. And where's your armpit? Armpit. Where's your mouth? Baby.
Oh, my baby. Hi, baby. Say hi.
Baby friend. Pag-cry ang baby.
Big mouth.